Hello guys, hope you all enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna explain you the activity for today, okay? So this is the worksheet that you will need. So first, you need to write down your name, okay? Remember the proper space of each letter, so try to do it perfect, okay? Then you are going to draw what did you do during your weekend. In my case, I went to the park. I went to a walk in the park with my husband and with my baby. So, when you finish drawing, you're gonna do a video telling us about your weekend, the same thing that I am doing right now. Okay, so that's my picture of my weekend, and you have to do yours. So have a lot of fun and enjoy this activity. Bye bye.